Auto Analyst. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Ford Galaxie, a modern revival of an iconic classic. The 2025 Ford Galaxie blends retro charm with contemporary performance. Its exterior features a bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular body lines that pay homage to the original Galaxie. The design captures the essence of the 1960s model while integrating modern aerodynamic elements. Under the hood, the Galaxie boasts a powerful 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing 450 horsepower. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth and responsive power delivery. The advanced suspension system ensures a comfortable ride and precise handling, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads. Inside, the Galaxie offers a blend of vintage style and modern amenities. The cabin features high-quality materials, spacious seating, and a driver-focused layout. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected and entertained. Advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking provide peace of mind. Driving the 2025 Ford Galaxie is a thrilling experience. The V8 engine delivers robust performance, while the refined suspension ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford Galaxie perfectly marries classic design with modern technology and performance. Stay tuned to Auto Analyst for more reviews and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.